Tim Peake shared the secrets of planet Earth's energy with us. Surprisingly, it's plankton. So we asked AI how to save energy like plankton. It suggested we harness the power of small wiggles. Zooplankton don't waste a drop of energy with their tiny wiggly movements, even waiting until nightfall to avoid predators as they migrate to the surface to feed. They're truly energy smart. But how does this help you save on your energy bills? Well, just like plankton, we can shift our energy use to off-peak hours and make smart savings. In fact, with our Next Smart Saver tariff, you can unlock cheaper off-peak electricity 21 hours a day, every day. From running your dishwasher at its fullest when the table's being cleared and off-peak begins, to throwing a morning wash on before you start the day. Every shift you make helps to keep the grid in balance and your bills in check. Harness natural wisdom for smart savings. Discover Next Smart Saver at eonnext.com/smartsaver.